All right, good morning everyone. We're back on another project, a Pondless waterfall this time. So this is for another previous customer of ours. They did a Pondless waterfall 2 years ago, and we're back doing another one on the other side of their house, and this is what it looks like so far. So this is our blank slate. There'll be 5 large aqua blocks in this, and then our pump vaults go in here, and there'll be a small pooling area up at the top right up here. The customer has some carnivorous plants, and we're gonna add a little bog area up here, and then right there between those rocks is the drain system for their whole upper parking area. And so this is going to be kind of a stormwater management system also. So that's what we got going on today, and probably the better part of this week. And we'll get you set up on time lapse and watch us work and see how this one comes together. Alrighty guys, we got this waterfall all finished up, and it's going to be the homeowners from now on. They're going to plant it up, and their bonsai sort of style garden. I'll take you around and give you a quick overview of what it looks like. But they're master gardeners. They are masters for sure. But this is what the water feature looks like. So we got a 14-foot pondless waterfall with a small little bog filter, or small little bog at the top. Just enough for a couple lily pads. But this is how it turned out. I'll kind of run you up over through the waterfall. So that's a real basic video of what it all looks like, and I'll give you a short walk around to the property. So this is their backyard, and we got several pathways. There's a small greenhouse. This is really cool. I don't know what you call it, but it's beautiful. Little statuary setting. Another beautiful maple. And then another pathway, some more gardens. This is the first water feature we built for him, underneath this giant sycamore tree. In all honesty, that tree gives this homeowner a lot of grief for the amount of cleanup that they have to do and maintenance on it, but it's a beautiful tree. But this is the first waterfall. Kind of a little reflection pool right at the bottom. And it runs up and around this small little pine tree, beautifully trimmed. And nice little seating area right here, sit next to the waterfall. And walk through here. Just everything is meticulously trimmed. Just looks beautiful. This is a really cool tree. This is one of my favorite trees on the property. They planted it inside of a rock on a hole. So it's super cool. Short little walk through a garden. I'll see you guys later.